Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. There are few things more frustrating than running into problems with your Android device, especially when you forget your screen password and suddenly find yourself locked out. Whether it's a forgotten login, a stubborn Google FRP lock, or another system issue altogether, there's one powerful tool that can handle them all. Today, we're taking a look at what many people consider the best Android unlock solution available: PassFab Android Unlock. So why is this tool so highly recommended? To begin with, it's a complete all-in-one solution designed to fix most common Android phone problems. A wide variety of Android phone issues, big or small, can be resolved using this single program. The process is incredibly simple. Once you download and install the software on your computer, using the link in the description, go ahead and launch it. You'll see this main interface. For this demonstration, we'll be performing a Google FRP bypass. If you're dealing with a forgotten Google account after performing a factory reset and now your device is stuck on the Verify Your Google Account screen, this screen is part of a security feature called Factory Reset Protection, FRP. It's designed to protect your phone from unauthorized access, but it can become a real problem if you've forgotten your Google credentials or recently purchased a previously used device. Choose Remove Google Lock FRP. Next, select your phone brand, Samsung in this case. Pick your Samsung Android OS version, or if you're unsure, simply choose the option that lets the software identify it for you. After that, click Remove. Connect your Samsung device to the computer using a USB cable, and as soon as it's detected, the program will automatically begin removing the Google lock. Give it a few seconds to a couple of minutes, and the FRP lock will be completely removed. Restart your phone and go through the initial setup as if it were new. No technical experience required. Just like that, your device is back in your hands. This same simple process also applies when removing screen passwords or recovering a device affected by an OS crash. The interface is clean, intuitive, and extremely easy to follow, making the entire experience stress-free. So if you're searching for a dependable and effective tool to unlock your Android device, PassFab Android Unlock is definitely one of the best options out there. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.